Yeah, it's got to be classical, hasn't it?
Oh, no.
Oh, brilliant.
ABBA?
This is the one.
The winner takes it all.
I do, darling. Well, that's appalling.
We weren't expecting that.
No.
May I suggest Alka-Seltzer, darling? Because that will settle it a little bit.
Did you really fly in from America to Burberry?
Yes, Simon.
Really? It was so stupid. It was brilliant. Really? And that's a compliment.
That one was on the Richter scale.
And where do you see this going if you were to go through?
No, she can't go any further.
Well, look, there's not much to say. Bruno, yes or no?
It's a no, my love.
Alicia?
It's a no for me.
Amanda, please.
It's. I'm out here. I'm out here.
Oh, Amanda.
It takes a lot of effort.
I am bitterly disappointed.
I love it, girl.
You don't want to reconsider it?
Fine, working too.
Bruno, let's go.
Oh, they've gone. Two of them have gone.
I'm going to say yes. Thank you.
I think this audience loved you. Yes, they do. I'm giving you a yes. Bruno.
Come on, Bruno.
Just because I can't possibly imagine how you're going to outgross this grossness. I'll change it around.
You got three yeses.
That took us by surprise a little bit.
I'm so sorry I embarrassed you. Jeeper.
No, I do not. I do not.
Hey! One follow. One follow.
See you later,
Thanks,
Pep.
Kimberly.